Okay, Megan and Paige. Hey guys, it's Savoy. I got a quick update of what I'm trying to do. And first of all, I think it was Paige that contacted me on a Saturday. Thank you for taking the time to meet up with me and talk about everything. I greatly appreciate that, considering the crazy circumstances. Here's what I need. I'm gonna kind of read this email off to you. So Megan and Paige, I got a lot to talk about. Let's get straight to the point. The link of me talking right now will be right here for you. Okay, on YouTube. So here is exactly what I'm looking for, right? After talking in a couple of Zoom meetings, I am 100% sure I want this exact page, right? Literally, like, I want this exact page. Literally all the way down, da 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 da. And I know I got to provide you some of that content. I want this exact page. On the back end, I'm going to be working on a video, an introductory video, so on and so forth. But I want this exact page, like literally, like Savoy Fitness, Top Dog CrossFit, donation, da 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 da. It's going to be a 14-day trial. Now, with that being said, I know there is something to do with this merchant thing that we need to talk about. But for now, can we just do PayPal until one of you can call me? I don't want this merchant thing to hinder the process of this. I need to get this thing up by Wednesday. Wednesday. I cannot wait another second. Respectfully, of course. From there, so there's the sample sales page. Here are my edits to the document, right? So basically, let me pull this side by side so you guys can kind of see what I got going on. I really like that caption. I'll leave it alone. Here's how the 14-day at-home challenge works. So you see I went word for word. I copied his number one. His number two is a little bit different from mine. So this is actually number one. And, this is number two. But if I do that, it's going to mess all the numbers up. Let's Go Virtual. So Let's Go Virtual is the number two. He keeps it simple. Mine's a little more in depth, which is fine. Number three, you become part of the FitCheck accountability group. I got that. And then you become of the client experience. That's something new. And then our fifth one is, so that's 1, 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. All right, so he has 4 points. I have 5. I copied his 5 directly, but the number 4 is different. You become part of the client experience. We're actually going to send you postcards and opt you in as a regular person, thanking you for your donation. So that's that. These pictures here, while we're doing this, so I inserted a link for pictures that I wanted. I already gave you guys access to this. I'm going to go ahead and scoot this over. I just picked a bunch of random pictures that I really like that mean a lot. Like, for example, this picture right here might duplicate over to this picture right here, right? And then, yep, so that might duplicate over there. I got pictures of women. One picture that I really do like is this one, Mr. and Mrs. West. Please include this picture. It's a black male and a white woman. I want to add some diversity. I don't want to just go white people. No offense, and I'm not even acting racist. So I want to just put some balance in there between, the ethnicities and whatnot. So that's that. That picture can insert there. And then at the top, like this might be like this picture and this picture, right? This one and this one underneath stacked on top of each other. I'll let you guys pick with that. Why are we doing this? With the why we are doing this, my name is William Savoy. My situation is a little bit different, and I actually took some time and wrote a real answer. I want to help my community. I'm from this community. I want it to work, so I laid that there. Never done virtual training. Here are some reviews. I don't quite got this yet, so please insert that for me, and I'll get that to you in the next couple of days. This right here, can you add some testimonies? We serve the community since 2009. So I'm going to come at the bottom of this, and I'm going to put like, we served the community since 2015. And then I'm going to be honest, I don't have any of those reviews like he has. I actually probably have something a little bit better. When you go to our website and click at the bottom, you guys can literally pull some of these testimonies and stuff from Tori and read more. Like you can stack this stuff up, right? These, you guys should have these images. Trixie, 2 or 3 of these, at the bottom of this doc, right? So instead of like no one's reading all this boringness, fit track coaching, that's boring. I'd rather read something quick and simple like this. All these different pieces you can stack on top of each other. I think that would be excellent. Other than that, I mean, that's all I got. Please let me know what you could do. Again, I really need this thing up like ASAP. Please let me know what you could do, what I can do. If I can get this up by Wednesday, you could look at this. I have an NFL player that is ready to sign up. Can I sign up for this so I can get it to his girlfriend and his mama out of town? This is last night, so Sunday. He's ready to sign up. And I'll be honest, we paused our Facebook ads. This is virtual money I can be getting for nothing. Let me know if I can do anything. If you guys can get this ready for me, I swear to God, I'll be indebted to you. Thank you.